Okay, so today we're going to go over on how to install this Jag Diff cover that we made. And it's not, it's not difficult, but we're just going to show you. There's the main thing here is this part right here. But the first thing is this is a Jag X-type only, okay, that you're going to be getting. And it's from an 02 to 08 Jag. So first thing is make sure it's clean, of course, and then we're going to remove these 10 bolts right here. From here, take this cover off, and then I'll show you from there. Okay. So also when you're using this diff, usually you gotta, it's like this, right? So when we did this, we had to, because this diff has to be used flipped upside down like this. The reason why it has to be flipped upside down, if you don't, with the K series or the B series transmission, it's going to rotate it the opposite way, and it's going to go backwards. So we got to flip it upside down to make it go the correct way of like the wagons or the CRV. So we did flip it, as you can see here. See, we flipped it, and that's how it's going to be. If it wasn't flipped, it'll be like this, but it won't work this way. That's flipped around. See it? Now it's like this. That's how we're going to use it. All right, and you can see we redid the vents right here. We redid the vent right here. That's why it was flipped. All that going to be done. Same thing with the fill, and then the drain. This one don't have a drain, but we went ahead and added fill. So, okay. So first thing you're going to do, take these off. So now go ahead and just get a screwdriver and just pop it here. Pop it. There you go. There. Pop this thing out. As you can see. Look how thick this gear is right here. I need to clean it up a little bit, clean up all these mess. This one's just been sitting for so long. So you can see still grease in there. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it off, and then I'll bring it back on here so it doesn't mess up my table. So this cover here, the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one off of here. This is the vent. For the vent, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this out, and that's all we're gonna use. We can just get rid of. Okay, clean this up a little bit. All right, this one we're gonna reuse. Okay, there it is. I'll save that, and then clean this up. So we're cleaning off this RTV right here, so we're gonna get real nice, good sealed on when we put the cover back on. As you can see, well, go ahead and clean this thing out, and then we could show you how much thicker these gears are compared to, like, look at the difference. These are the CRV. Look how much thicker it is. Okay? So it's a lot thicker. Okay, so Alright, this is all cleaned up. And also, it's this one here. I guess none of these come LSD, but the good news is GEARX is going to be making an LSD for these diff. So I know we get a lot of people asking, hey, is there an LSD option? So GEARX, stay tuned. You know, Brian Spiker, if you have any questions, give him a message, you know, about the diff that they're going to be, the LSD that they're going to be producing. Okay, so here we got it all cleaned up. All right, so this piece here, the one we took off from the stock one, has to go back on here because this is actually for the vent. It goes back on there just like that, just like so. Oh, clips on it. There you go. Right there. See it? And what that does is there's a vent right here, so the oil doesn't splash in there and spills out of here. So you got that. Put that back on. As you can see, it's gonna go this way out here like this. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our TV on here. So now we got 10 bolts. This kit's going to be included with the Allen bolts. So we're going to go ahead and just, it's going to go on this. This is on top, of course. It's only one way it can go on. Also, there you have it. Let it dry up. Don't mess with this. Let the oozing come out, you know. So that's it. That's all. You're done. It's ready to be pretty much put back on the car. Okay. Also for the guys and the gal that pre-order these cover, it's all done. The covers are done. We're just waiting on these two parts right here, and then the vent, the tube for the vent. So as soon as that comes in, we're gonna go ahead and ship this thing out. Hopefully in a couple weeks, we can have this thing done and have it shipped out. So just be patient with us on that. Okay.